as I look out across this Capitol Hill, that you have swarmed. You have held this hill. You have not walked away. No. You've held it, and you've echoed it. You didn't let go, and you've echoed into those chambers. We opened the doors up, and the noise out here has echoed into those House chambers. While Nancy Pelosi was speaking, you were echoing in there on top of what she had to say. And so, I am overwhelmed with gratitude at the power of who you are and what you're willing to do. And if I could start a country with a bunch of people, they'd be the folks that have been here standing with us the last 2 days. And I've seen in the middle of this new organizers, new energizers, new friends, new network, new power, new energy, a new majority in America that's going to be run by patriots and 9/12 Project people and constitutional conservatives of all kinds that love the Constitution and are willing to step up to this responsibility, and we will win the war.